Parents, is your K through 8th grade student behind in their schooling? Or do you want your child to stay ahead? Team Springs Tutoring Service is here to help. Hi, I'm Karlesha Springs, owner of Team Springs Tutoring Services, LLC. We offer online summer enrichment and after-school tutoring in the subjects of reading, writing, and math. Our classes are designed to develop new interests and skills through learning activities. We love to develop strong young readers, writers, and mathematicians. And parents, we also offer workshops to help you become more familiar with how to help your child in their journey to educational excellence. Our summer enrichment program starts June 7th and spots are limited. Call to register today at 251-236-7306. Again, 251-236-7306.